if you're looking for a 50 or 85mm T1.2 lens on a budget, look no further. SongRaw just released the Moonlit Simplified Edition of their amazing autofocus prime lenses.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Welcome here from NAB 2026. I'm here at the SongRaw stand with Hannah. How are you doing?
Good. Nice to see you again.
Nice to meet you again. We just talked about the YC Onion products, which of course is also your brand. But, you know, just so people know, SongRaw is your lens brand, right? So can I say that? Is that how it works?
Oh, it's kind of a partnership.
Partnership. Okay, partnership. Let's keep it there. And last year you did a video with Johnny, I think, at IBC about your Moonlit lens series, which are super fast prime lenses. And now you brought out a simplified edition, I think, right?
Yeah, so this time we bring a latest edition lineup for the lenses this year. As you can see, what I'm holding is the simplified version.
What makes it simplified?
So we can just separate it into three parts. First is the color. So as you can see, this one is in silver, and the flagship version, they're all in black. And the second is the weight and controlling. So it removes the aperturing here, so you can just control your desired aperture on the camera. And the weight is 100 grams, less than the flagship version. Yeah.
But the optics inside are the same, I guess.
I think kind different, but still the materials, the glasses.
The look is the same you get.
Oh yeah, the look, just the color is different and all the same.
Okay, so basically you're saving some money on not having the aperture ring, which also means you can offer it for a more affordable price.
Yeah, so we will have a cheaper pricing. This one is 85mm f1.2, so it's around 650 US dollar, and the 50mm is around 550 US dollar.
And for those of our audience who don't remember the pricing of the normal Moonlit version, how much is the difference?
Oh, the flagship version is about 1,000 US dollar.
Okay, wow, so it's significantly cheaper actually.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So half price almost. Almost.
almost.
Okay, that's a big change. Now, for those of the audience who don't remember the first video, maybe you can just run through the basic features, you know, like autofocus and the features of the lens, the amount available lens mounts and so on.
Oh, so they are all full-frame autofocus lenses, and we support the E mount and Z mount so far. Lately, we will have the L mount.
L mount as well. So you're working on L mount.
Yeah.
That's good to know. We have a lot more people using L mount now with the Blackmagic cameras and also the Panasonic Lumix series. So it's gaining a lot of traction. We get a lot of people asking about L mount versions of lenses. So that's great to hear. RF, of course, still down to Canon, right? They don't allow, I think, full frame third-party manufacturers trying to work on this and convincing them because everybody wants full frame RF lenses from other manufacturers other than Canon.
Yeah, but we can't do that,
No. Not yet. Maybe it's changing. We'll see. Okay, great. So the available focal lengths you have are 50 and 85mm. Any plans for other focal lengths?
So maybe the next one will be the 35mm, or I heard about that we are going to do a zoom lens.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You know the range of that?
Oh, I'm not sure.
You're telling us secrets here on camera. It's just the two of us. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, great. We talked about pricing. What about availability? Like when can people buy it?
Oh, so it's around between the season 2 and season 3.
Okay. Quarter 2 and 3. Yeah.
Yeah, this year.
This year. Okay. And one thing I forgot, the front diameter is 86. Okay. So with a thread, so you can actually put filters inside.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. All right. Anything else I forgot you want to mention?
Oh, not really. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Hannah.
Okay.
Have a good rest of the show.
Okay.
And thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more from NAB 2026. And don't forget to like and subscribe.